Hello inventors, in this video we are going to learn how we can create AI drawing app using MIT App Inventor. So let me show you the example of this app first, then we will create this app from scratch. So here we go. So we can see that's our app here. That's the first screen of our app. So you can do a lot of things with this drawing app. This is the AI drawing app. So this app can work with your voice command. So let me show you. Just if you want to draw something here with our voice command, so you can draw like this. See, that is like this. Now, if you want to draw something with your voice command, so we just need to click on Call Ali button. You can see there are a lot of buttons like black, yellow, blue, red, erase, fill and save, and that text box also. So if you want to draw something with blue color, so just select the blue button to do this. You can choose any color here. Now let me just draw some circle here. Okay, so click on Call Ali, draw the circle. See, that's the circle. You can point the circle. Like suppose if you want to draw a circle in that top, so just click on that option and draw them. Draw the circle. See, now if you want to add the image, so just call Ali again. Open gallery. That's your gallery. Now we have to open any image here. So suppose let me just put this image. And if you want to draw something in that image, so just type here something here and just call here. Draw the circle. See, that's your circle. Now, if you want to draw some text, so suppose let's draw Saurabh and draw the text. Okay, I have to draw the text in the top here. Just let me just select this option and then draw the text. See that the Saurabh in the top. You can draw anything here. Like see, you can draw with your red color, you can draw with blue color, you can draw with yellow color. If you want to draw the circle without filling, you just need to click on fill option. This is no unfill. No, and you have to select any option here. Let me just select in the top right. Now click on call Ali. Draw the circle. See, that is the unfilled circle. Now, if you want to save that image, now let's save image. So we just need to click on that save button. Just click on one time to save this image. You can use your voice command also to just call the save that button click using the call command. Now let me just go to the file manager, open the file manager, phone storage, and you need to go to Android, data, and your app inventor, files, and you'll find that one is your file that we had saved. You see, sort of that circle, everything. So you can create the voice command drawing app or image editing app using MIT App Inventor. It's too easy. So let me show you how we can create this app. So here we go. In the left side, you'll find the Start New Project. Click on this. We are using the MIT App Inventor to create this app and just type your AI drawing app and okay. Now that's our first screen. So we need to drag and drop your canvas. This is the first thing. And make sure this is the width and height is fill parent like this. And we need your one layout also. In the left side, you'll find layout. Click on layout. And we're going to use your vertical arrangement 1 and vertical arrangement 2. We need 2 arrangement. And we're going to drag and drop. We are going to make it fill parent and height is automatic, or you can say like a 10% is fine, and make it like this, like where is fill parent and height there is 10% like this. Now we have 2 layouts and 1 canvas. Now we need to drag and drop some buttons here. Click on user interface and drag and drop one button here, and we need to write down here something like call Ali. This is our Ali button, and whenever we click on this, so we are going to call to Ali here on this button lid. Now I'm going to change that background color to pink, make it font bold, and make this font size at least 18. You can say like with horizontal arrangement, click on it and make it in a center. Align horizontal should be center like this. Now and to drag and drop your one text box left side, you find this one, and hint box is like the text something, and we some more button like just copy paste this font Ali here and make it in the left side and change that text to fill like this. For the circle, we will use this button. Copy this call Ali, command C and command V, and drag and drop it here and change that name is black or black is something like that. Okay, and then we need to just change the font size to 16, and we need to change the background color to black, and the text color going to make it white. Now just do it for other buttons also, like for second, and to make it like yellow. Now these are all colors, so make sure this is the in the center and this one is in the center. Now we are going to use here one more button for erase, so just copy paste this and just type here erase, and make sure this background color and to make it white and the text color and to make it black. And we need to change that horizontal background color also to make it something like that you want, like this. Yeah, this is fine. And the another horizontal arrangement background color, I'm to choose these another one like something this one color. Fine. Now that is the design, we need one extension here, so open this and just type here voice recognizer without Google Dollar. So I will give you the link of this extension in the description, and you will find this extension here, and you need to download. You can see you can just type in the Google like voice recognition extension without Google Ad, and you will find this extension here. You will find this AIX file. Just download this. Now go to the MIT App Inventor. In the left side, you will find extension. Click on import extension and import this file and import. You can use if you are using if you're going to participate in the abathon, so make sure don't use this. You can use this one option you'll find in the media option, this one, speech recognizer, this one. Okay, make sure, but this will display the dialog box, that's why I'm not using this. So just simple, there's no any other reason, so just drag and drop this here. Now we have to code. This is fine. Now you can change that screen name from here. Just click on the screen and change the screen name is AI drawing app, something like that. This one. Now we have to code. Now go to the block section. So first we will code for whenever we click on that call Ali button. Okay, whenever we click, I'm to make this font size 16 to make it look better. I think yeah, 16 is fine. Looking fine. Fine. Now whenever I click on that call Ali, so we need to call here this one. So whenever I click on that button, so make sure this call Ali button is button 1. So you can change that button name. So button 1, whenever someone click on this, so we have to call this speech recognizer and just say call text. That one. Got it? Now let's go to the design section, and now we have to use here how we can use the condition. So suppose first thing what we will do, we are using your drawing option. First thing is it's simple, so go to the block, so click on that canvas, and you will find here the option of whenever someone dragged in that canvas, so we have to draw the line. So you will find your canvas, click on this, and you will see the option of draw line, this one. Just drag and drop it here. Now we have to draw a line on right. So it's simple. We need to get the previous X here, and then we need to get the previous Y. And in the H2 and Y2, we need to get the current X, this one, and you need a current Y. Simple. And let me just run this app in emulator to see how it's work. See, that's our app here. Let me just draw something. See, like this. You can draw like this. Okay, now I think we need one more button to save. We have to save that image, that's why. So let me just go to the design, and I'm to copy paste this erase button and copy and paste it. And in that each button, I'm to write down here something, save, and background color, and to make it green, and text color black is fine. See that save button. Now, whenever someone click on that button, so our canvas will save in the gallery. Now, let's go to the here design section, go to the block. Now we have to code for another thing, like we have to change the color of our drawing. Like where you can see there and click on like this drawing like black. So I have to change that paint color. So whenever someone click on black, yellow, blue, red, so we have to change that color according to on arrow button there. So simply just go to the design and check is black color is like button 3. See, now whenever someone click on that button 3, so whenever someone click on this, then we have to change our paint color. So click on canvas and you will find here paint color, this one. So we just use your set and just type your black. This is, now we just need to do again for like 3 or 4 times, like whenever someone click on button 4, button 5 and button 6, it means whenever someone click on button 4, so we have to chant the yellow, 5 blue and 6 is red. 4, 5, 6. So 3, 4, 5 and then 6. This one. Now, on that button 4, we need to change that to yellow, like this. On button 5, we need to use blue, and on button 6, we need to use a red. Fine. Now, on that erase button, we have to use erase. So, what I will do, go to the block section. I just need to do one thing, it's simple. There is no eraser actually. There is a simple thing is like on button 7, we need to type your white pad. Simple. Let me show you how it's for. Let's just run this app again. Refresh this and try this. See, it's working black. If I just click on blue button and let's try blue line. No, it says suppose I had just what I've done like this and I have to erase this. So I will click on that erase button and then just draw here. See, it's painting the white color. It's erasing like this, like this. Now, if I click on red, so it's like red. Now, we need to use here call ally function. This is the most important part of this AI. This is the because we are creating the AI drawing app. Now, let's go. So whenever we call that speech recognizer, now we have to check that text. So suppose here we will find the after getting the text. So we will use here. So whenever I get the text related to like draw the circle, suppose. So I will use here control if the result is logic is equal, but the result I get is related to draw the circle, suppose draw the circle. If someone said draw the circle, so I have to draw the circle. So where I can draw the circle, that is the most important thing, right? So how we can draw the circle in the point. So whenever someone click on anywhere in that screen, so we have to get a XY coordinate. So how we can do that? So go to the block here and just click on canvas and you will find here whenever someone touched that one. You can see the whenever someone touched this one. So we need to get the X and Y coordinate. So we will use here one variable, initialize variable, this one, and this value is X value, and just we need to initialize that value with the 0, like this, and copy and paste this variable one more time, and this is the Y value, and this is also 0. Now we need to, whenever someone touch that canvas anywhere, so we will set that X value to this one X value whenever someone touch. And we will get that y value in our variable. Sorry, the touched y global y variable value from that y. It means that y, that y value. It's simple. Now we have to draw a circle. So click on that canvas and you will find the draw circle, this one. Call it here. In that position, center x, it means x value. We are getting the x value. And center y means getting the y value. Now the radius, actually I'm defining here the static radius. The problem is if we just choose, suppose if I just define the answer is there, get the radius from that text box. And I have defined here 30 or 40. So the problem is this value you're getting the only number value, not text. And whenever I put something here in that text box, this always I'm getting the return in the string. This will produce the error. Okay, so that's why I'm not able to find the answer. So yeah, I think there's some answer for this. So just comment on the video what is the answer for this, how we can use it. You will find the fill is true right now, but how we can unfill our circle, how we can use it for that, how we can use that button that we have used here, fill or unfill. So go to the block. We will use here one more variable. Go to the variable here. So just here, type here the circle, circle value or circle symbol, and in the initial we just define here true. Make it true. Okay. Now, if I just click on that fill button, it means that button. It means button 2. So on that button 2, click on that button 2. And on that button to click, I had to define that circle, set circle value to false. This one. And now what we need to do here, we need to use a logic control. If if the circle value is, go to the logic here, just drag and drop it here like this. If the value is true, it means then how we can check it? Get circle value. If the circle value is equal to true, suppose true, then we have to set that value to false. As if, as if we just simply say make it true, like as if the circle is, if the circle value is not true, it means false, then we will make it true. Now we have to change the text also, so it's fine. So go to the button 2 and set button to text, this one. So whenever someone click on that true, if the global circle value is false, it means we will make this text is unfilled or unfilled something, unfilled and unfilled, and whenever someone click on again, we will make it the fill. Text circle is filled. Okay, cool. That is done for the circle. Now, whenever someone say like draw the circle, so this will draw the circle with the radius 20, and that will get the x and y coordinate. Now, let's do another thing, like we have to draw the text. So, I'll say we will use here one more thing, that whenever someone say the getting the image, we will open the gallery also. So, we will do this. So, first we will draw this text. So, just get, and someone say draw the text. So just click on canvas and you will find here the draw text option, draw text, this one, this one. And XY coordinate, we know that whenever someone click on anywhere in the canvas, so we can save that X and Y coordinate, and that is the Y. Now what is the text? So we will get that text from text box 1 dot text value. And now if someone say, suppose open the gallery, as if, so if someone say like if the result is, suppose open the gallery, open gallery, so we need to call your open the image gallery. So we need to drag and drop your media, and you will find here image picker, drag and drop it here, and drag and drop it here, and make sure this is the height is well off. Okay, and we need here one more thing is user interface. You will find image, this one, and make sure this is also the visual off, or you can remove that image. I have one option for that, just delete this image. Now go to the blog section. So whenever someone say like open gallery, so we need to call image picker. You will find here this is the open image picker open, so this will open our gallery, and click on that image picker. Whenever we select, after picking the image, after picking the any image, that we will set this image in the canvas background. Click on canvas and you will find the set canvas background image, this one, and we will call it here the image picker dot selection. Make sure don't use the image. If you're going to use the image, so this will not appear in that background. So make sure you have to use image picker dot selection. This is the right option. Cool. Now, whenever someone say open gallery, so this will open the gallery. We can set your image. Now we can draw the circle. Now we can draw the line. Now how we can save it? So we need to use here one more button for save. So fill, copy paste this one. On that button click, I'm going to use here save as a B. Actually, see if you're not able to see this, so you just refresh it and see here. See that and save. Now let's, whenever someone click on that save button, let me button 9, go to the block. Whenever someone click on that button 9 here, so we have to say okay, we have done here that is copy paste already code, so I'm to delete that all code. Button 9. Now on that button click, we have to save our image. So how we can do that? It's simple. So we need to just call here cd evaluate, but ignore result. So why we are calling this here? Because whenever we call this canvas, you will find save, cd option of save, this one file save. So this will return some result. This will return some result. So what we are ignoring that result and save that file. We are saving that file. You can use your label also to get the path of your image. So I'm going to use your simple logic text, and at the join option, I'll use your one more thing, a string. And in that first, I will use here something like this, like my drawing, my image name. And in this second, we need to use your one variable again. Why we are using variable? Because if I save the image with the same name, so this will replace that previous image. So that's why I'm using your variable. So variable, create the variable for the image count, and make sure this, so you can make it in a count is 0 in the initial, let's 0, and get that image count, suppose 0, and in the last we will make it as a dot jpg. You'll find C like this, dot jpg like this. Okay, now let's go to here again, this one. So we are saving our image here, and whenever we save our image, so we will, let's set increase the value from 1. So just go to the maths here, and that get image count, current count, and we will increase it by 1 like this. So that's the overall. So you can see the draw circle. So we have done that the default row. So we have to use this one as an initialize global value. This one, get global circle value. Simply. Let me just run this, how it works, because I'm not able to run this in that emulator because this will not recognize the speech recognizer. That's why, so I'm going to run this app in my phone, and make sure one thing, whenever you try to save your image, so don't use the MIT app companion. Make sure try to save your APK. It means build your APK, and that try your save functionality, only for save functionality. All functionality will work in the companion, but maybe the save functionality will not work. So that's the overall app. Actually, I'm using here two save button. Okay, so you can remove one button. So that's the overall app. We have tested this app. This app is working fine. If you need AIA file of this app or APK file of this app, you can download it from the Coding Bus app. So open the Play Store and just type here the Coding Bus simply, and you will see that app. You can download the Coding Bus app to get the free AIA files to get your code. So I will upload that AI drawing app, APK and AIA both filed in this app. So if you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.